Hello students, myself Pooja Miss and today we are going to learn about English grammar. And in your second standard first semester textbook, you have given first lesson a and an. A or an. It means we also called these as a articles. A and an, these are articles. So let us we will learn here. You know the English alphabets has 26 letters and which are they? These are A to Z. From A to Z these are 26 letters and these letters has divided into two parts. Which are they? First is vowels letters and second is consonant letters. So 5 of these are vowels. Which are these 5? A, E, I, O, U. Okay sir? Okay. Among of them A to Z letters, 5 letters are vowels and remaining other letters, it means the other 21 are consonants letters. Okay, you can see here from B to Z. These are the consonant letters. It means what? Vowels means swar. And which are they? These are the 5 vowels. And consonants means vyanjan. And vyanjan which are they? B, C, D. You can see here B from B to Z. These are the consonant letters. हम हमारे स्वर वॉवेल्स मीन्स स्वर हिंदी में भी हम देखते हैं कि अ से आहा तक के जो लेटर्स होते हैं वो हमारे स्वर होते हैं. ठीक उसी तरह से क से लेकर ञ तक के जो लेटर होते हैं वो हमारे व्यंजन होते हैं. इट मीन्स हम जिस वर्ड्स को प्रोनाउंस करते हैं, यहाँ पे ए बोलते हैं, ए मीन्स ए. ओके, तो अ से लेकर आहा तक में ए, अ, आ, ई, उ, ए, ये लेटर उसमें भी आते हैं. तो इसका जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन होता है ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू, इसका जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन होता है वो लेटर इस हिंदी लेटर्स में से जो भी अ से लेकर आहा तक के लेटर्स है उसी के प्रोनाउंस इसमें आते हैं. सेम लाइक दैट हियर कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर्स बी, ब, सी, क, डी सेज ड, एफ सेज फ, जी सेज ग. इट मीन्स these letters are called consonant letters, व्यंजन, जो कि क से लेकर ञ तक के प्रोनाउंसिएशन इनके होते हैं. तो अभी हमें देखना है the using of a or an article. Okay, so next point here, let us see. We use a article before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Here you can look at clearly sound, consonants sound. It means किसी भी वर्ड्स को किसी भी लेटर्स को जब हम प्रोनाउंस करते हैं तो उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन किया हुआ जो लेटर आता है वो उसका साउंड कॉन्सोनेंट चाहिए. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस सी द एग्जांपल. अ मैन. Here you can see first letter is a M and what is it? Is it a vowel or is it a consonant? Yes, it is a consonant letter because we can see here that from B to लेकर V से लेकर Z तक के ये जो letters है वो क्या है? Consonant letters है. So we can see here M and here is also M. M is a consonant letter and what is its pronouns? Its sound becomes M, M. Its sound becomes M. M says M, man. That's why we use a article. When we see here M is a consonant letter and also its sound becomes consonant. That time we use a article. Same like that. See the next example. What is here? Chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. C-H says ch and ch is a consonant sound and C is a also consonant letter. That time we use a article. Same like that here also next example see. Table. T says T. T is also consonant letter and its sound becomes also T. T is a consonant. That time table. It's a table. That time we use a article. Next also woman. W. W says W and W is a consonant sound. That time we use a article. Hopes you understand. But see the next example. There is a small difference. What is it? Unicorn. Here you can see the example unicorn. U is it a consonant? No students. U is a vowel sound, vowels letter. Okay, we can see here U is a vowels letter, but we just concentrate about its sound. Okay, we have to check out its sound, consonant sound. It means U is a vowel letter, no problem, but its sound becomes Y. And what is Y? Y is a consonant. इन मराठी व्यंजन में हम देखते हैं कि क से लेकर ञ तक के जो लेटर्स आते हैं उसको हम व्यंजन बोलते हैं. इट मीन्स कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर होता है वो. इट मीन्स यू इज अ vowels but its sound becomes Y and Y is a consonant sound. That time, so we use here a article. Okay, same like next example is also you can see here useful book, and U is a vowels letter and its sound becomes y. That time we also use a article. इट मीन्स यहाँ पे हमने समझ लिया कि जब भी किसी लेटर्स का फर्स्ट लेटर कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर होता है और उसका साउंड जो होता है वो साउंड कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड चाहिए. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नहीं तो यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं यू लेटर तो वॉवेल्स है पर उसका जो साउंड आता है वो क्या है, कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड है. सो वी कैन चेक द इट्स साउंड मस्ट शुड becomes consonant. Okay, so let us, what is the use of an article? See the next point. We use an before a word beginning with a vowel sound. We use an letter, an article before a word beginning with a vowel sound. अभी हमने क्या देखा, consonant sound. ए आर्टिकल कब यूज़ करना है, कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड से पहले. अभी एन आर्टिकल कब यूज़ करना है हमें, वॉवेल साउंड से पहले. सी द एग्जाम्पल हियर, एग, ई डबल जी, एग. इज अ, व्हाट इज इट बेटा, यस, इज अ vowels letter and its sound also becomes a. E says a. So we can write here an article, an egg. Okay, okay students. Next, igloo. I is a vowels letter and its sound becomes also vowels. I says e. E. Okay, so an igloo. We can say here an igloo and we can write here an article. Next example is here, an owl. Owl, it means O is a vowels letter and O is also, its sound becomes O. O says O. So we here write an article. Next, an apple. A is a vowels letter and its sound becomes also A. A says A. That's why we use here an article. Next here listen, H-O-U-R, hour. Okay students, here we can see H is a consonant letter but we see firstly here its sound. Okay, and what its sounds becomes, H sound becomes O. It means O is a vowel sound, so we can use here an article. Okay, understand? See the next example here, umbrella. U says O. U is a vowel sound, vowels letter and its sound becomes O. Umbrella. We use here an article. Okay students, it means what is the using of a article and an article? When do we use a article? Before a consonant sound, that time we use a article, and before a vowel sound, that time we use an article. Hopes you understand. And let us see the next point, and here you have given homework to do your at home. Okay students, so you can solve these examples and rewrite also it in your textbook, notebook. Okay, so see the question, put a or an with the following. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हैं, उस एग्जाम्पल्स के जो आपको फर्स्ट लेटर आपको दिखाई दे रहे हैं, तो उस एग्जाम्पल्स के फर्स्ट लेटर को आपको देखना है कौन से लेटर्स है, वो वॉवेल्स है या फिर कॉन्सोनेंट है, देखो, और उसके बाद उसका साउंड चेक करो. ओ सेज ओ. ओके, इट मीन्स ओक. ओक मीन्स यहाँ पे ओ लेटर जो है वो वॉवेल्स लेटर है और उसका साउंड भी जो आता है वो vowels आता है. So we can use here an article. Same like that you can solve these all the examples. Here is also E. It means E says E. E says A. Eagle. Okay students. So what is here? Which article do we use here? Here also we can use an article. An eagle. In this way you have to complete these all the examples. Hopes you understand. Let us see next period.